5 minutes later.
I think you guys also forgot to switch off your lights. So let's find a solution for that. I decided to convert my normal bulb into an automated one. So I'm using this PIR sensor to detect a person. And I'm not using Arduino Uno because I want to make this project cheaper. So I'm using this 5V relay and a BC547 transistor. Now it's time to convert this bulb into an automated one.
Enchanté.
As you can see, the charger module is not fitting inside, so I will place it outside the bulb. I am using this charger module to power the circuit. You can use any AC to DC 5V converter. As you can see, it doesn't work. So I am placing the sensor cap, and now I won't attach the light diffuser, and let's see it works or not. It's working. I will place the sensor over here so that it can detect clearly. I made this case to protect sensor and charger module from water. These two potentiometers are given to calibrate the sensor. The right one to adjust distance and the left one to adjust time duration. In my case, I adjusted the distance to maximum level and time duration about 30 to 40 seconds. This is the perfect combination of time and distance that I got, because I was experimenting with all the adjustments that are possible, and I observed that if I go to decrease the time while distance is maximum, the light would on for the adjusted time duration and turns off for few seconds, and later it turns on by itself, and this process goes on. This one thing is a drawback of this circuit. It works. I have some problem. Okay, I will explain with some 2D animation. This is me and this is light. It works perfectly when I go inside and stays on while taking shower. But when I want to shit, it doesn't work because the toilet is bit far from the sensor's maximum detecting range. So if I want to shit, I should shit like this.